If you want to record screen on your OnePlus 13 5G, first of all, we have to swipe down from the top of the screen. Now open it up, and here we gotta find our screen record option. There it is. If you don't see it, simply tap on these three dots and you'll press edit titles and you'll find it in the title list. However, for now, let's press on screen recording. So you have to give all the necessary permissions. So let's press get started. So you should choose how do you want to record it, whether with system sound or microphone, record microphone sound. I'll just keep it on the system. Press start recording. And now you're recording. You have this dynamic island at the top of your screen. So when you're done, simply tap on your dynamic island. You can either turn off the sound, microphone, you can pause it, or you can stop it completely. Now let's save to photos, and to find this video file, let's open up our Photos application and we can find our screen recording. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.